What's up, everyone? It's Chris the Barbeque. Today, we have an easy breakfast out in the Blackstone. Now, this recipe isn't anything unique that I've come up with. I'm sure it has all kinds of names out there. But just to put it simply, it's bacon pancakes. Let's go. Alright, our Blackstone is coming up to temp. I have the two burners on this side about medium and the one over here on low. We're going to be cooking our bacon first and then the pancakes later. I'll show you how that goes, but let's go over the ingredients real quick. I have just some regular Applewood smoked bacon. You can use thick cut if you want. I'm just using regular. You want to get some pepper, some fresh pepper. You want to get yourself some maple syrup. I have it in a bowl here with a brush. You can use a squeeze bottle if you want. You want to get yourself some pancake batter. Use whatever batter you want. If you want to use the recipe I'm using, I'll go ahead and put down in the description below the recipe of this pancake batter. And also some butter. So this thing's up to temp. Go ahead and get some bacon on. Ooh, look at that sizzle. As they're cooking, you want to make sure, kind of keep it curling down. If you want to use a bacon press at this point, go ahead. I have a couple of them, but I want to try to go without. This thing's mostly cooked inside. And as usual, cook your bacon however you want. I like mine more on the crispy side. We also don't want to cook these all the way as you normally would. So at this point, it's only been a couple minutes. I'm going to go ahead and flip mine over. Probably should have gone the other way. But, and try to get them flat. Popping going on. All right. Now while that side's going, again, this side's on low. Go ahead and get some butter down for our pancakes. I'd rather use butter than oil for this. Does the same thing as oil, but tastes better. Now for the pancakes, we're not doing flats or rounds. What we're going to be doing is kind of a long shape. And try to get it the same size as the bacon. About. Depending on the batter you use will depend on how fast it comes out. I also had this in the fridge, so it's probably a little cold, which is good because I don't want this stuff to set too fast. All right, before that gets set too much, bacon's mostly cooked. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your bacon, plop it right down inside the batter of the cooks. All right, now while those cook, before you do your flip, go ahead and do a small coat of maple syrup. This way you get some good flavor in there without having to smother them, because you can make these things on the go and just grab them, go. You don't have to worry about having a plate and fork. Kind of like breakfast finger food. Okay. Then after that, some pepper. Perfect. These going in a minute. All right, these last ones are just about ready. Flipped. Pat, the rest of that batter. Cut onto the bacon, around the bacon. See, that's exactly what you're wanting. Nice browning on that top with all that maple. Yeah, perfect. And as they're ready, just have a kind of warm hold spot ready, so serve everything all at once. And if you're worried about the bacon getting too done before your pancakes are ready, once you get this side kind of done and the bacon is implanted in there, you can flip them back over and finish cooking. Look at the color on these things. I love how these things look. I'm sure you can see the color on that light. It's not the greatest, but it's looking great. All right, I'm calling these things done. Got the switch off. Put them in my warm holding box. Ready for breakfast. Check that out. God, that light's horrible. Sorry, guys. That light's horrible, but there you go. So there it is. Quick and easy breakfast out here on the Blackstone. So let's check our results. So again, these are just easy to grab and take with you. Easy thing to do in advance while everything else is cooking. And so good. The pancake batter by itself is kind of boring. So it's nice having the bacon on there along with the maple and the pepper. It gives that a nice little kick of flavor in there without overpowering everything. And really easy, kind of small. You don't have to splurge on a huge breakfast. Just easy to eat, easy to cook. So you can see the pepper and the maple on there glistening. Well, all right, everyone. I'm gonna get this inside so everybody else can have a little bit of a snack. If you don't have one of these, this is Blackstone's large tortilla warmer. It's perfect for something like this. Cook a lot of whatever you're gonna do. Throw it in here. This keeps it warm. These things have been sitting in here for about 10 minutes or so, and as I just ate it, it's still nice and warm. So these things are great. Get you one. Not sponsored or anything, but they did send me this, so I want to say thank you to Blackstone and to recommend this thing if you guys need it. So that's it. Thank you everyone for joining. Hope you like this one. Please give it a thumbs up down below. If you're not subscribed, please go ahead and do so. I'll have a lot of cooking videos coming out as well as some competition stuff because I have a busy competition season coming up. And hey, like I always say, no matter what you got, no matter how you're gonna do it, just cook it. All right, see ya.